days. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, adjective means Bisheshan Pada. Dush, gun, hurkang, dangor, hoba, saktir. Big means dangor, small means ami, hurkang, gor, agot, thayar. Homa janailu, here I am Tapata Singha from Nuksipi Imar Firal. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Actually, I was sharing parts of speech. There are 5 parts of speech in Bishnupriya Manipuri, though in English there are 8 parts of speech, but we have only 5 parts of speech. I have already uploaded 4 parts of speech, but there were some problems, so I couldn't upload the last one, that is adjective. Today, I'm going to share that one, that is adjective. After a long time, I'm going to meet you all, so be with me till the end. Okay then, what is adjective? Adjective is a descriptive word that gives more information about a noun or pronoun, telling us what kind it is, how many they are, or which one it is. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, adjective means Bisheshan Pada. Bisheshan Pada ki go? বাক্য বা পারেঙাহানোর ভিতরে যে পদগই নাউন বা প্রনাউনৰ দুষ গুণ হুরকাং ডাঙর হবা শক্তি এটা বুঝাদের ও পদগইটাই বিশেষণ পদগ. Now let me share some adjectives such as big, small, red, long, tall, short, ugly, beautiful, happy, new, etc. etc. Now, let me share the meaning of these words in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Big means dangor, small means hurkang, red means ranga, long means dighol, long means dighol, short means batti, short means batti. Tall means oos. Tall means oos. Ugly means shakti or thi. Both are correct. Shakti or thi. Beautiful means chuna. Beautiful means chuna. Happy means haro. And new means Noah. The last one, new, means Noah. Now let me share some sentences using these words, these adjectives. The first sentence is, it is a big umbrella. It is means ego. A means ago. Big means dangor. Umbrella means sati. So it will be, it is a big umbrella. Ego ago, dangor sati go. Ego ago, dangor sati go. The next sentence is, we live in a small house. We means ami, live means thayar. In a small house. Small means hurkang. House means God. In a small house means hurkang, God, agot, thayar. A means ago. In means to, agot. Ami, hurkang, God, agot, thayar. We live in a small house. The next sentence is, I am fond of red apples. I am fond of red apples. I means me. Red apples means ranga apple. Red apples means ranga apple. Fond of means monauri. I am fond of me monauri. Red apples, ranga apple. So it will be I am fond of red apples means me ranga apple monauri. The next sentence is she has long hair. She means they. She has. Terta ase. When we use has with she, it will be terta ase, not they. They ase, not correct. Terta ase. She has. Terta ase. Long hair. Long means dighol. Long means dighol. Hair means chul. So it will be she has long hair means terta dighol chul ase. Or you can say terta dighol chulgasi ase. Or ter chulgasi dighol ase. In that way also we can express ourselves in Bishnupriya Manipuri. The next sentence is the boy is too short. The boy. Munisho. Boy means Munisho. The boy, Munisho ego, is too short. Too means jobor. T-double-O. Too means jobor. Short means batti. The boy is too short means ere Munisho ego. Jobor batti. Ere Munisho ego. Jobor batti. The next sentence is she is 5 feet tall. She means they. She is 5 feet tall. 5 means pass. Feet means feet. 5 feet uch. Tall means uch. Sometimes we say dighol also, but here the appropriate meaning is us. They 5 foot uch. They 5 foot uch. The next sentence is this building is old and ugly. This building is old and ugly. This building ere dalanego. This means ere. This building means ere dalanego. Old means puran. Baro ugly. Ugly means thiose. Ere dalanego purano se baro thiose. This building is old and ugly. Ere dalan ego purano se baro thiose. The next sentence is you have beautiful eyes. You means the. You have. When we use have with you, it will be torta. Torta. You have beautiful eyes. Beautiful means chuna. Eyes means ahi. Tor ahigi jobor chuna. You have beautiful eyes. Now I'm going to share a sentence using the word that is adjective happy. Okay, happy. I am so happy today. I am so happy. So means jobor. Happy means haro. I am means me. Okay, so it will be I am so happy today. Me. Today means aji. Today means aji. So it will be me aji jobor haro osu. I am so happy today. Me aji jobor haro osu. I repeat, me aji jobor haro osu. The next sentence, that is the last one, is Amal has bought a new car. Amal has bought. Amole luase. bought means lona. Okay. Omol has bought, omole luase. A new car. A means ahan. New means nua. Car means gari. So it will be Omol has bought a new car. Omole nua gari ahan luase. I repeat. Omole nua gari ahan luase. So I have shared some adjectives and some sentences using those adjectives. I hope it is clear to you all. Is it tough to learn Bishnupriya Manipuri? I think no. So let me conclude here. Oh, okay then. If you have any doubt about adjective, you please write down in the comment box. I'll clear it in the next video. So let me conclude here today. Meet you again. Take care. Be blessed and be always positive. Thank you. Namaskar.